In this video, we're going to check an uncut try of Augment Code. So I will not edit this video, it will just be added to the YouTube repository as it is, and we're going to test Augment Code. So Augment Code is an Visual Studio Code extension that can help you code with AI. I've used Augment Code in the past, and besides the fact that it was fast, it didn't bring a lot of value. I hope this changed. And lately there is a lot of chat about Augment Code. So yeah, I have an account to them, and I'm using the free version right now because I'm using Windsurf as a main editor. And right now the free version, you have the options to use the 50 agents request with 3000 chat messages. So it will be enough, I guess, to see if this is, I don't know, better than Windsurf, because in case it does a good job. For the paying tier, like developer one, it is $30 a month, and you have unlimited agent chats, which is quite good. So in Windsurf, for instance, you have like 500 with 1500 cascade ones, and in here you will have an unlimited number of requests, which is very good. So I have a project in here. It's a Docker with Python project with Arno that is like having some AI things in here, like it can help you generate like a social media post, thumbnail idea generator, and the title generator, and so on. And social media post generator, I want to add something. So right now I have Twitter, Blue Skies, Facebook, and Reddit, and I want to add, for instance, Quora in here. And right now, for instance, if you are trying to create a subject, let me open my website and try to bring something from there, like videos. And for instance, I want to create a social media for my last article, to create agents with Agno, and things like that. I want to be able to create something, for instance, for Quora, in case someone asks a question in there, to do that. So for instance, let's create something funny in here. And for this content, okay, I think there is a problem with the model that I'm using, because I'm using Google Gemini, and I guess this one has an issue. Let's wait, maybe second try it is with more success. Okay, it takes a lot of time to work with this Gemini 2.5, but eventually it worked. So in here you see that you have the posts that have been generated. We have this, and I want to do like a small thing that, for instance, Windsurf can do, just to add an Quora in there, in case I want to, I don't know, create a response to a question, to have also this option. And I have installed everything in here. So I have Augment installed. I have the code generated. Let me see. So in here, you see that it's already initiated the project, and it should be able to read from it. And basically this is the interface of this. I have started the details in here. And the idea of this, it is that it is very good at understanding code bases. So I have in here the code base. So in here I have the, let's see, you have the tool pages with results and things like that. And in here, for instance, I have the tool page with the tools in here, and in here I have the core tools, the implementations. For instance, in here I have the social media post. And in here, basically, I have the prompt with all the details for Facebook, for Reddit, and everything. So I don't want to provide him the file that has all of these details, but I want him to find these details, to see if it's smart enough to find this file, and add it a Quora in here, so I can So I can also do that. So I will tell it to add this. Okay, it is smart enough already to see the file opened. So this is a plus, because usually when maybe you want to ask it something, you would want to do the modification in the file that you are looking at. So this is a plus. So right now he went and just bring this file in here. So yeah, that's very good. So I will let the options to agent, not agent 0, because agent auto, not agent 0, because agent auto, I guess it's just going and approving everything. I don't want him to approve everything. I want to see what it's doing. I'm having this in a Jitter repo. I'm just wanting to not let him do automatic things on this PC. So help me add in the social media tool the Quora. No, it's not like that. Let me see how it's spelled, because I have problems, it looks like, to spell the Quora. That much I am using it. Quora, okay. Yeah, I will not cut anything. I will just let it like this, the Quora option, to generate answer to the questions in there. Use the same prompts as for the other, and just customize for answering Quora question. So next time I will not need to type that much. I need to install something that just dictate. So let's see how this is doing. I hope it will do good, because in the beginning I loved this because it was quite fast and it had a good understanding of my project. The problem appeared when I asked him to modify things. It wasn't good enough. So I did the better jobs with Trae, the free ID from ByteDance, Windsurf, and Klein and Rookcode. Okay, so right now I see this thing, it's more slow than before. So I guess in the past was using something maybe from Google, because it was very, very fast. Okay. Let's see. You can see what has been modified in here. No. I will just hit keep all. Okay, right now it's just reading everything. And it checks the implementation and other things. Oh, it says that it finished. Let's see. Okay, so this is like was a simple change, and the only thing that you need to do is to add in here for Quora, and for Quora to optimize things. Okay, it added the platform selection. Okay, good. So yeah, I mean, this is a very small change, and I think it will work. We're going to ask him to do something more complex with this tool next, because I have a problem. Let me see. Okay, let me go to social media post, and in here I will just go and ask him to do the modifications for the same thing, same article. I mean, the prompt is quite good to create something something good in there. I just want to see that this is working. Okay, and I want to be funny again. Let's see if right now it's working with OpenRouter and Gemini 2.5, because like this I'm using it. In here it's free, and why not? It's good. So yeah, I want to see how it's doing. Yeah, it's a little slow, I see. I guess there are a lot of requests through OpenRouter to the Gemini lately because the model it's quite good. I've used it in the past. I mean last week, and it did very good things. So I modified all of this project. I've structured the output for this project and fixed some of the bugs. And I did this with Gemini 2.5, and it was, yeah, very good. But after we're going to modify it just to use the Gemini Flash for this, because it's too slow. I'm just interested to see if the output it's working, not the actual output that the LLM is doing, because in function of what LLM you are using and the prompt, you can get good results. Let me go also and open OpenRouter and check. Okay, so right now it finished, and in here you see, and yeah, you see that it's nice. So it's asking the question in here, and it's just responding. Yeah, it's very nice. So you have good outputs in here. So yeah, I mean the first thing that I'm going to fix is this card, because right now if you see, you don't see all the responses in the card view, and this is annoying me. I don't know, I guess this is more complex, but let's ask him to fix this. So I have the card view in the process, and I want to have all the details in the card view. Right now it's not displaying everything. So let me go and check it again. So next, I have a card view in responses, and the responses are not showing complete. Please fix this. This happens in all the AI tools. Okay. Right now I didn't open the file that has these responses, but I want him to see if it is finding the details, because with Google I was able to, I don't know, to find everything in there because of its big context, and yeah, it modified all of the things. Okay, let's see, let's wait, because yeah, right now it's searching for these details because I didn't provide him the file. So it's searching for JavaScript and things like that. Yeah, I mean, definitely right now this thing it's more slow than in the past. So that's why I guess because it's using the... Okay, it failed. It failed again. Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting. So this video, it will not be short, I guess. But the idea of, yeah, this channel is to, I don't know, test things and learn things. And right now I wanted to test this Augment agent with you because, yeah, it's more fun like this, I guess. And I guess you can see my experience. So until this thing it's deciding to open. Besides that, for instance, this website has been built with Windsurf and with AI. So this blog has been redesigned to use Astro and everything with the help of AI. Also, I've created an article of how I did this. You can have also the theme if you want for free. I've just published it in GitHub in here. I have the Bidoze theme, so if you want to use it, you can do that and go and use it. And besides that, what I've also built, it's another thing. Let me open it. So yeah, this is the theme. You can go and yeah, just clone it, and you can go and use it if you want. And the other thing that I've built is toolhunt.net. So basically, again, this is an Astro. This has been built with Trae. It's using Tailwind 3, not 4 like the other one. But yeah, in here, I have a lot of tools that I like and I'm using, and I wanted to create something where to put them. I mean, most of the time is because I'm like using a lot of things, I forget them, and yeah, even bookmarking doesn't help me. So that's why I decided to create this directory. I said, okay, I will dump everything in here. I've created also a section with Mac apps. So all of these things I've built with the help of AI. This thing has been built with the help of Trae. So this was my first AI project that I have built. Yeah, it's looking nice, and it's using Astro behind the hood. Also, again, this repo, it's public. You can access it if you search Toolhunt on GitHub. For sure, you will be able to find it, and you can use it for your projects. If you want, you modify it as you like. I mean, it's not perfect, but it can help you see things. Okay. Let's see, I don't understand what he wanted. Standard results, thumbnail results. Just apply. Okay. Let me put it again. Okay, keep all. Yeah, I mean, I didn't use this in the past, so that's why I need to understand. Okay, standard results, thumbnail results. They modify it in here. They did some things. Okay, card item append. Okay, it was limited to 120, sorry. It did something. Let's go and check it again to see if it's working right now. Let me open the augment in here. Okay, good. Good. If you manage to fix this, it's good. It's better than before. Let me go again. And this time for this. To put it in here where it is. Okay, in here, social media post generator. Let me generate also for Quora. Bam. Funny. Let's be funny. I have also other tools in here like, okay, try again. So Google is not working very good through Open Router. I'll need to change that. But yeah. Right now, let's wait. It takes a little time to generate all the output. And I think I have another problem with the outline generator. We'll see if that can be done. But let's wait for this to finish and see if it managed to fix my problem, which wasn't again a big problem. It was something simple. We're gonna ask him after to do more complex. Let me open Router because this thing is annoying me. And use another thing from there. Let me browse the models in here. Let me use like Mistral thing. Okay, I will use this. I just want to see, to not wait that much. You see in here that right now it didn't even answer. Let me go and modify the environment file. Okay, I'll not want to show you because I have the key in there. And I'm not staying to just... Okay, so right now let me close this. Let me run this again. Okay, it responded. So it looks like the list view is smashed. Let me let it ask again, because maybe it is a problem because it didn't respond it. Let me be funny. Let it for Twitter this time. Let's see if Mistral is more fast. Yeah, so this takes some time. But yeah, okay. So Mistral provided the details. Let me see the card. Yeah, good. The card it's working. You see all the details. Back to tools. This is working. It's working. Okay, let me thumbnail idea generator, script generator. This is just to help me for some scripts. I just want to ask him and see if in here I have some problems. I'm just trying to test this and see if the implementation with the card has been added everywhere. But I guess in here I am using something different, because in here I have some hooks and things like that I am just showing because I want to show the good details. Okay, Mistral, it's still not that fast. Yeah, this is a mess. It didn't respond it well. Again, these AIs, maybe they cannot understand things better. You need to have like a more powerful AI to help you with these things. And yeah, that's why maybe you have like this output. But again, in here you see that you have the details. In the card, the thing that I don't have and is not properly, I think, is this one. Casual, 3 sections. I want to see if this thing is properly generated. Meanwhile, let me also check a better one in OpenRouter. I think I will need to use, DeepSeek. Let me use the latest DeepSeek. I want to use the one that it's paid. Maybe it's faster, and that's why. Let me go again and put the details in there. Sorry for this, but this is how live it is done. Okay. I put it DeepSeek in there. Let's see. Okay, so right now we see that this is not scrollable card, outline view, markdown. So the output is not good at all for this outline thing. But I want to try again the YouTube script generator to see if it's working better like this. Docker install. I'm curious. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I need to stop this first. Come on. Come on. Come on, stop. Stop, my friend. Doesn't want to stop. It stopped everything. Right now. Okay. I'm just curious to see if subscript generator. Let's see if this SIG is faster. I mean, lately these LLMs are very slow. You see, you spend a lot of time, especially through OpenRouter. DeepSeek is not faster from this. Let's say you have something in the output in there. Okay. I want its structure, yes. Oh, it's finished. And yes, we have a structure output this time. This one is smarter. So you have the scripting here. You have the hooks. Why is Docker the most loved tool by developers to put in your YouTube? Input bias. Yeah, I mean, these are not, I mean, only two questions. More should have been done in here. But yeah, I mean, good. Good. Let me try this, and if not, to fix it. And if the output is not good, I will ask him to fix also this for me. Because I want to have also this problem fixed. I fixed the other two issues, and I want to test Augment Code because anyways, this is something that I wanted to take a look at and fix it if I can. But yeah, this DeepSeek is also very slow. It will take 1 minute to get the response for this. Hopefully it will get it, the response. Oh, okay. So you see that the output is not okay. In here it's just like JSON things. Let's see. Augment. Okay. Now help me fix the results. They are in JSON format. Is not expecting the things. I see something like, I mean, I will try to help it and send him exactly what I'm seeing in here, like introduction and things like that. And let's see him if he's able to fix these things for me. Bam. And right now, let's wait for him to see. Okay. Again, I didn't provide him anything. He understood what I needed. And also this thing should have memories. We'll check after. This is also a new thing that has been added. Until now, I think this does a pretty good job. I mean, I fixed two problems already where they were small, but I could have done that easily myself. But yeah, this is how you vibe. You are vibe coding like this. You don't need to do anything. You don't even need to understand it right now to code. Yeah, I mean, I'm just joking. You can do code without understanding it, but I don't think it's quite good. And you need to understand what we are doing in here to like do something that it's good and not have problems. Also AI, it does the job for you, but you need to go and ask him exactly what you need. And if you don't know what you need and what to ask him, it will be hard to complete something. Yeah, I mean, right now it's modifying the files. You see it. Change one file. Outline results, good. Okay, good for me, I guess. Okay, so you are finished. Keep on. Oh, good. Let's see if this thing is fixed. Generate more. It's working. It's working. Beginners. Generate. Okay. Let's see if it managed to put everything in a structured way in here. Meanwhile, let's open the memories because DeepSeek, it's taking some time. Okay. Yeah, it's added only one thing in here. Okay. I don't know why it didn't add the rest of the things. Yeah. But we'll see. So right now the memory, it's only like this. Let me see, maybe it finished. No, it's still going. I think it's still going. Let's check. Yeah, it's still going. These LLMs are slow. Right now, I guess everyone is using them. Oh, okay. So in here you have the outline overview, scrollable card. Same thing. Markdown in here, copy row. Good. Then here you have also the output with Markdown, so you can preview them. So it fixed also this problem. Yeah, very nice. I mean, I wasn't expecting him to just go and fix the problems for me. And you see, I mean, it was fast, quite fast. And right now, let me see. Okay, all of these things are fixed. Now, please review the project and let me know how I can enhance it. I mean, I'm just consulting with him to see if it has any ideas. Okay, just go and search it. So, I mean, you see in here that I did a couple of requests. Okay, this is one, I guess, 2, 3 requests, 4 or 5 to so on to check this. I don't know if you have a limit where you can check. I'm on the free thing. So I should have 50. Okay, it's still thinking. Yeah, it's thinking a lot. After I will just push this to the repo. I'm just curious to see what augment it's recommending. Let me see in here. Ah, okay. So I have unlimited because I'm early accessor. Good. I didn't know that. I guess I'll use it some more tomorrow because I have other project in mind, and if it's free, so in here you have also options to add like tools for MCP servers, for GitHub. I see Linear, I don't know what this is, Notion, Confluence, Jira, Supabase. Okay, and in here you can create your own MCP servers if you want, which is good. In here you have the context files. Okay, Let's see. Okay, in here it's just showing what is indexing, so it didn't touch the .env for indexing, it's not tracking it, which is good. And it knows the VNV, JIT, Pcache. Good. Okay, can add your own MCP servers in here if you want. I guess this thing, it will take some time to read everything. But I'm just curious to see what he's recommending to me. Because I know what are some of the recommendations with Klein, not Klein, but yeah, I mean Sonnet and Google, like to add dark mode and things like that, like login, register. And this is what they suggested in the past with the other tools. I'm just curious to see this one, if it's like, I don't know, better optimized. I guess right now it's using the O1. This is okay. Let's see. Yes, I seen there some darting, but video tutorials. Okay, it went deeper. My God. I should have asked him to add this recommendation into MD file. Because there are a lot. My God, it's better than I actually expected. It's more complete than the other. So I guess it's using some think model. See that in here for emails. It just keeps going. Let's see from the beginning. It has a lot of things to. Okay, Dharma support. I don't care about this. Mobile devices, okay. User onboarding. Getting started, okay. Results sharing. I mean, if you want to share the results, you need to store them somewhere. I mean, you can add a database in here, but I don't want to track. Tool enhancement, additional tools, email writer, product description generator, meta description generator, server optimized meta, FAQ generator, code explainer. Yeah, I mean, these are some good suggestions, but in here I'm just wanted to create something that I like it for myself. Okay, took some implement templates, presets, best processing. Multiple input on once. If you pay for this, maybe. Results history, yeah, that's good. I've implemented something like that in an article. Technical performance, lazy loading, API, add rate limit, good. Error handling, testing, yeah. Content and documentation for it, bug integration, video tutorials, user accounts, subscription models. I mean, that's pretty good. Analytic dashboard. Yeah, that's pretty good recommendations. Integration opportunities, third-party integration. Okay, Notion, yeah, add an NCP. AI model improvements. Fine-tune options, prompt library. No, that's better than what I've hoped for. Implementation priority, short terms, dark mode, result sharing, enhancement. Okay, so it gives you also a plan. For sure, this is a reasoning model that is doing this. Dark mode, it tells you the things and just go and do that. Maybe it will work, maybe not. I will not try it right now. Right now I will just review this. JavaScript, yeah, I mean, conclusion. BitTools purchase has a solid foundation with a well-structured code base and a clean architecture. Good. Okay, put this recommendation into an implementation file. Do not lose it. This. into an attention MD file. I mean, let's see if it can do that. If it remembers. Let's see if it creates the file for me. If it does also this, I mean, I'm happy with what Augment Code managed to do in, I don't know, let's say 1 month and a half since I've last tried it. For sure it's using better LLMs behind the scenes, and maybe they changed the prompts. So right now these things, it's actually understanding you, and yeah, it does a pretty good job. Besides that, yeah, I mean, it's a little slow, but again, you see that these LLMs are quite slow right now. There are a lot of usage, and that's why NVIDIA stock, it will keep growing, because they need someone to provide them the shovels for AI. Yeah, let's wait to see if this file is created. I will just go and wait for the file, and afterwards we can close this, because it has been 40 minutes and I hope they have been, let's say, interesting for you. For me it is, because I managed to do like 3 things in here, plus the fact that I have a plan for this. So right now I have a roadmap for this tool. The only thing that I need to decide is like which AI it's better and cheaper that can provide the details for the tools that I have. Because right now Google is having problems, DeepSeek again it's having problems, and yeah, I want this thing to be usable. Too large of an input. Split the request into chunks. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's like a child. Let's see. I can do that. How should I proceed? Yeah, I mean, I guess I can just copy and paste all of these things. And I mean, it will have been easier, and it will not take that much time, because yeah, I want to see if this it's working. If not, I will just create an implementation MD file and I will put it in there, the detail myself. Because I don't want to lose this, because there are like some good suggestions in there. Go, my friend, go. Do something. And I will push all of these things in there after. And yeah, I've seen here that DeepSeek it's using. I asked him to use like general tokens. I've asked AI to create the logo for this. I mean, it's crap, but yeah, I mean, I'm more interested on the tools that I have in here, because I want to receive help. I mean, when I've created a thumbnail, I want to have some insights of what AI is thinking it should look like. Of course, I will not do it, but because it's too hard to do it, it takes a lot of time. But I want to see what he's suggesting me, to not be like without options. Okay, this one it's just goes and yeah, I mean, joke aside, it did some pretty good recommendations. Yeah, it doesn't like to to create the file. Yeah, so I will just copy this and push all the changes to the repo. I will not do it this live. I mean, I don't think it has like a point. And I hope you learned something today and you seen if Augment Code can help you. Again, I mean, it's free. It's 40 days, you can use it for free. Right now, it's free also for me, so you don't have what to lose. Just go and try it for yourself and let a comment in here how it went for you. For me, yeah, it's pretty good. Help me fix some things. So thanks for watching and we'll meet in the next video.